joto no jibai jan kai tini oro 5 manjar phajak tini Hrangkhawl hatini Bazar Sobha Borom Grand Cabinet Minister Honorable Minister Sri Vikas Devarma tai chini Honorable MLA the Chief Whip Honorable MLA Srimati Colony Shah Roy Madam te chini ora 5 manjar phajak joto BJP ni adongso te ora khanawi tongnai te bazaro himoi tongnai joto lukurok no sarik sal kecang jorani jiba yapharo kok these thaini kok sanai noro joto no saimano tini chengtang ne ora kuthum laikha ora bazar hathiwo Hrangkhawl hathiwo chengtangai kuthum laikha tamni inke phainai 12 तारिख chini TTADC ni chongmari aroni ang Bharatiya Janata Party ne ngai ang no vote patai nai ani bumung no Billow Jamatia noro kwangma camping on nukhna kwangma social media on nukhna te kwangma press ni hoite print media no hoite noro nukhna je ani koimung ani awaimung ang tam saka tam saya kwangona khana khana te khana yang tonero tini ang haina haina te sabinai je ta thokok jakdi norok sisa basibi mia malik bazar hatiro buba garani kok thai khanawi nai ang haina haina norok no muito khana musugu boro kabama kok sawi nai kok no ore pore khai nai no confuse khai tonga boro saka je BJP sarkar khlaikan khai TTADC habang no general khai nai ba TTADC no phalai chanai kintu akok taba akok totally false jodi si BJP asek no TTADC no dissolve nai ngakai bokale khlaipe khamu Jammu and Kashmir ne hai article 370 no noriman onkhai o chini TTADC le chikon sasi obona boss home nor pai khagom na khai obona no nor dagya TTADC ne tongnai 6 schedule andaron tongnai obona chini Bharatiya Janata Party sarkar thaibani ulo obona TTADC khajak nai thasiko chini honorable minister o sai Hrangkhawl tamlei TTC Tripura Autonomous Territorial Council ঠিক Boroland High BTC High তিনি বো Territorial Council খাইজাক নাই অব খাইখাঙ্কাই চিনি যে ডাইরেক্ট ফান্ডিং নি ইস্যু তমনি গ্রেটার ইকোনমি পলিটিক্যাল রাইটস অফ দ্য CEM নিজে ঠিক ভাবে যে ইউজ নাই গাকাই তে বলছে মজাগাবো greater economy greater autonomy joto no man thane goro nake je boro je chiri tomo direct funding nai a direct funding ni solution no chentuna phai tomo chini manifesto no nukhna chini sankalp patra nukhna 29 points kau aron bising obo kaisa chini manifesto no nugnai je asek boro protest hai phai tomani the direct funding issue, constitutional right, 125th amendment. Amono joto no kaisa ke chini tongo. Amo je iban lu tongo ni amo thano iban tongo. Abango chini Bharatiya Janata Party sarkar paikan khai. Obo joto no kaisa ke joto no puro ngai. Puila na hambai parbo chini Bharatiya Janata Party no Jano 11 mohon report elaboran nengai Bharatiya Janata Party nengai nai vote patengan ni ana sudu rumah ni bagai jeng tak phainai 5 years ni bagai sibia jeora ni khora khanai tonai ro jeng sudu 5 years ni bagai ya jeng 20 years ahead 30 years ahead je wan sogoi samong na agona nangai जों थानाय जे सरकार चालावबाय थाखा बर'नि गाहाम हामिया नरं नाना सायखनारिखा joto camping थाङाखै नरं नाना सायखनारो हाय इंया अबहाय इंया थानायनि सरकारले फाइबो माजा फाया अबहाय इंया जों हाखाय जोंनि भारतीय जनता पार्टी हाखाय जों कम सावो जों एक्शन खालायफोरनांगौ जों सामंसे खालायफोरनाय जे बर'क साबानि जे बर'क जिरिमानि जों अमा जतनो सामं खालायफोरनाय दा किचा इंग्लिश में सानाय Dear friends, all my friends, brothers and sisters listening to me at this Hrangkhawl market, my name is Billow Jamatia. I am the selected candidate from Bharatiya Janata Party of 11 Maharanipur ST seat. As you have seen or you have heard few days ago that during my door-to-door camping and during my camping where I have gone door-to-door, where I have gone to various places of this constituency, and I have also mentioned that I have been attacked in some few places like Namanjoi, Bazar. You can see gradual growth, gradual strength of people's love towards Bharatiya Janata Party. As days goes by, many people call me all the time. They say, brother, we would like to join your party. In fact, in one place, the name of the place is Dhalai. As I was going door-to-door camping, one of an elderly person came to me and he asked me, brother, how to join your party? Then I said, you don't have to do anything. You just come with me right now and you can join me from right now, right at the moment. So these old people, all people, the youth, especially the women, the way they are showing me the support, the way they are showing me the love and encouragement, that gave me more strength. As you all know that this is my first time representing any political party. Prior to this, I was serving as a confidential assistant to Honorable Minister Sir, and prior to that, I was a teacher. So teaching itself is a noble profession, but that help could be extended only within certain boundaries, only inside the classroom. So now, Bharatiya Janata Party has given me opportunity to lead the nation and to be the voice of the people of this Hrangkhawl Hathi, and also to be the voice of the youth of entire 11 Maharanipur. So thank you for gracing this evening and patiently listening to me. My request in this evening will be that please share the message to everyone to say no to violence. Yes, you can see I have not retaliated even through microphone or not even through physically. Physically is out of the box. I have not even retaliated through the microphone as well, because I firmly believe that only love can change everything. Do love and you'll get back the love. So I firmly believe in the saying, do unto others what you want them to do unto you. That's why I urge people through the media as well, and through people who are listening to me at this Hathi, at this market, please send this message to everyone. Do not say yes to violence. Don't let it happen in your village. It will always bring disheartenment, sorrows, anger. This is all the barriers to all upcoming development. So this time, vote for change, vote for good governance, vote for administrative reform, and vote for voicing out the youths. Now, I take this opportunity to thank everyone and to bless me by giving them one particular vote. Do not get angry to the previous government as well. Do not get angry to the representative earlier. respected EM, he was Sri Kamal Kaloi. Do not get angry to him right now. Show your anger on the 12th by casting your vote in Bharatiya Janata Party, that is in the serial number 3 in the sign of lotus flower. Thank you everyone. Jotona Pulumbaika, Belai Belena Hambai, Bande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, BJP Jindabad.